You can now live forever, not as a human, but as data. Imagine your voice, your face, your entire personality copied and uploaded. It talks like you, thinks like you, even argues like you. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now. Welcome to the world of AI human cloning, a digital revolution that's both fascinating and terrifying. AI cloning is when machines recreate you digitally. It uses your photos, voice recordings, texts, videos, and even your behavior patterns to build a virtual twin. Companies like 11 Labs, Synthesia, Replica, and Deep Brain AI are already making it happen. With just a few minutes of data, AI can build a version of you that lives online forever. It starts with data feeding. You upload videos, audio, chat logs, anything that captures how you look, speak, and think. Then, advanced AI tools use deep learning and neural networks to map your face, learn your voice, and mimic your emotions. It's not just a puppet, it's a thinking version of you. Some clones even interact in real time through video or voice without you ever being there. Sounds cool, right? But here's the dark side. Identity theft could reach a new level. Fake interviews could spread lies with your face and voice. Deepfake news becomes more believable. And if your clone commits a crime, who gets blamed? Even experts like Jeffrey Hinton and Elon Musk are warning this technology could collapse trust in society if we're not careful. But it's not all bad. AI clones could also do amazing things. Talk to your loved ones after they pass. Use digital therapists for mental health support. Train employees with AI simulations. Or create virtual influencers that never sleep. Some CEOs are even sending AI versions of themselves to meetings. The real question is, where do we draw the line? Will we need digital identity laws? Will children have to learn how to spot fakes? Will we be able to trust anything we see online? By 2030, most customer service, education, and even news anchors might be run by AI humans. We're entering a world where reality can be copied. And the biggest question is no longer how. It's who controls the clone. Would you ever want to create a digital clone of yourself? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos about the tech that's shaping our future.